Welcome back to my quantum analytics project presentation. Here is project 6, where I analyze the New York City taxi rides data using Power BI. Information gathered within the data set revealed that average distance covered is 2.9 miles, average fare $12.49, total number of trips over 21 million, total weeks covered 27,000, average trip per week is about 760, and average passenger count is 1 person. Further insights reveal that Fridays recorded the most trips on average. Friday, about 126 trips on average. And also, the payment type on average, the preferred payment type on average is payments by credit card, constituting about 58% of customers' choices. Again, we can see, comparing the zones by fare, the zones that record or that recorded the highest number of fare is the EWR zone. And you can see, on average, they record about $73 by their fare. Also, further insights into the data reveal that average fare by rate code, as you can see here, revealed is from Nassau. And the average fare is also about $62. Again, we can see here that the average weekly trips per zone is being recorded by Brooklyn, which is about 33.6%. I have 3 different types of slicers that I used: payment type, trip type, and rate code. So I can decide to use any of these slicers to get further insights into the data. I've already explained the benefits of using slicers. You know, whenever you're working with Power BI, slicers will always give you more insights into your data. But just to keep it simple, let me just restrict myself to payment type, and I'm going to click on credit card. So let's see how the dashboard will change. So clicking on credit card, I can see here that the statistics have changed. Average distance is now 3.41 miles. Average fare, $14.22. Total trips, 11 million. Total weeks is still 27. That did not change. Average trip per week changed to 404. And average person per trip is still 1 person. So also you can see that the dynamics of the dashboard has also changed the moment I clicked on credit card. Let me click on cash and also compare what we have. Clicking on cash, you can see again changes in the dynamics. So for those who are paying cash, average fare is about 10.63 compared to those who were paying using their credit cards. You can also see a change in the total number of trips, and you can also see changes in the average trip per week. So whenever you use a slicer, you are sure to get a different information from your data set. Again, this is analyzing the New York City taxi rides, which is my project number 6. Stay tuned for project number 7. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.